Good evening to all. I am going to discuss about the topic machine learning and its classification. Machine learning, it comes under the classification as supervised learning and unsupervised learning and reinforced method learning. In this, these are the classifications of machine learning. Under supervised learning, in supervised learning, sample label data are provided to the machine learning system for training, and the system then predicts the output based on the training data sets. In supervised learning, data scientists apply some algorithms with labeled training data and define the variables they wanted the algorithm to assess for correlation. Both the input and outputs of the algorithms are specified in supervised learning. Initially, most machine learning algorithms work with supervised learning, but unsupervised approaches are becoming popular. Supervised learning algorithms are used for several tasks, including binary classifications, multi-class classifications, ensembling, and regression modeling. How does unsupervised machine learning works? Unsupervised learning is a learning method in which a machine learns without any supervision. The training is provided to the machine with a set of data that has not been labeled, classified, or categorized, and the algorithm needs to act on that data without any supervision. The goal of unsupervised learning is to restrict the input data into new features or a group of objects with similar patterns. These are the unsupervised learning techniques that has no labeled data sets. And unsupervised learning algorithms are good for the following task, which is clustering, anomaly detections, association rules, and dimensionality reductions. And reinforcement next is reinforcement learning is a feedback-based learning methods in which a learning agent gets a rewards for each right actions and gets a penalty for each wrong actions. The agent learns automatically with these feedbacks and improve its performance. It's often used in the following areas, which is robotics, video gaming, and resource management. Next, coming to applications of machine learning. These are some of the machine learning applications which is used in automatic language translations, medical diagnosis, stock market trading, online fraud detections, virtual personal assistant, email spam and malware filtering, self-driving cars, product recommendations, traffic predictions, speech recognition, image recognitions, and many more. And now, for example, business intelligence, BA and predicted analytics software use machine learning algorithms include linear regressions and logistic regression to identify significant data patterns and anomalies in large data sets. Consumer relationship management, which is key applications of machine learning in CRM, includes analysis customer data to segment customers, predicting behaviors such as crunch making, recommendation, adjusting pricing, optimizing email campaigns, and providing chatbot supports and detecting frauds. Um, Let us discuss with the students, and they will explain about the classifications of machine learning and its applications.
Classification of machine learning. Supervised learning. In a supervised learning, the labeled data are provided to the machine learning system for training, and then the outputs are predicted based on the training.
Next is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a method of machine learning in which the data are trained without any supervision. In this type of machine learning, we use data that has not been labeled, categorized, or classified. The goal is to find the new features from the input data or by grouping the data.
Next one is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a feedback-based machine learning technique in which an agent learns to behave in an environment by doing action itself. For each good action, the agent gets positive feedback. For each negative action, it gets negative feedback. In reinforcement learning, there is a no label data. So in reinforcement learning, the agent learns automatically using feedbacks without any label data.
Application of machine learning. Machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence that uses statistically techniques to enable computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. Image recognition, speech recognition, traffic recognition, product recommendations, self-driving car, email spam and malware filtering, virtual personal assistant, online fraud detections, stock market trading. medical diagnosis, automatic language transformation. The technology behind the automatic translation is a sequence to sequence language algorithm, which is used the large recognition and translate the text from the language to another language. Thank you.